What a crazy day yesterday in risk assets. The Nasdaq had a drawdown that was around 5%. Then it bounced back from a key support and bounced by 3.5%. It was really crazy, and we're going to do a little introduction about what is happening on the market in general. So the S&P 500 broke 7,455 points and was seemingly bullish at the open, but it was a trap, and we wicked this little red box here and reached 7,483 points, and then we crashed in the indices, in Bitcoin and in risk assets, but also in defensive assets. So Apple pulled back from its target, like so many stocks that reached algo targets the past weeks, the past months. VIX was at a key support, and this was why we crashed in stocks and in indices. Today is a big day. We have the CPI and Oracle that will announce results after the close, and the CPI will be at 2:30 in Europe. SPEC 6 will be tradable on Friday. So there's lots of events coming this week, and next week we will have the expiration of the VIX futures and the Bank of Japan that will probably increase rates. It will be on the 16th of June. The oil prices seemingly are breaking down and breaking the triangle to the downside, and this was pretty much a surprise, seeing the WTI going down with the risk assets and also gold when the dollar was going up. So the inflation risk was not really considered yesterday by the market. So let's go to the indicator of the CNN Fear and Greed Index. Let me check. Yeah, okay, I can do this. So we have the Fear and Greed Index in the fear box, which is going down, the Fear and Greed Index that is resetting a bit. I like this indicator, a sentiment indicator that is free for you guys. And today we're going to analyze Bitcoin, of course, and I'm going to put myself in full screen mode. So here we are in Bitcoin. This support did not hold in Bitcoin, and we are in shorts. And we reached this golden zone right here. The golden zone was located at $81,000 in Bitcoin. This green box did not hold for bulls. We're going to remove it, and we're targeting right now $53,000 and 400. And if we zoom back on the weekly, here's our green box, our beloved green box that we would love to attain to invest in Bitcoin, and this green box is located between $44,000 and $34,000. This is where the algo traders, the algo investors are going to buy Bitcoin massively in this green box, and then they will target $200,000 as a target. So this would be a crazy uptrend. It would be awesome to make a 500% uptrend. So we're going to take our time here in Bitcoin. We could reach this green box by next fall. It will be after the summer, in my opinion, maybe in October, because as you know, Bitcoin likes to make uptrends that last 1,000 days, then correct deeply, in general by 85% in average. This is a lot. And the correction usually lasts 1 year minimum. So the previous top was in October 2025. The next one could be maybe in October of this year, and maybe we're going to reach $44,000 before mooning in Bitcoin and go to the upside. In the meantime, probably risk assets like the Nasdaq will do the same, and everything is going to bounce all together and bottom together to make risk assets go up. Maybe Bitcoin will be a bit ahead of the rest. However, this would be an amazing opportunity to long Bitcoin and invest in Bitcoin. But if we break, of course, $32,000, it could be a massacre in crypto assets. That's it for today, guys. The Nasdaq is going down by 0.5% and the S&P 500 by 0.2%. Maybe we're going to go up in the coming week and weeks. A counter trend move before making a third leg to the downside and bottoming with some capitulation, maybe. We will talk about all this in my next videos. I hope you liked this one. If you liked it, please subscribe and share it and like it. Have a nice day, guy. Bye-bye.